Hi, welcome to the Interceptor drone project. It is prognosed that there will be 1 million small drones in the US alone this Christmas holiday season. As skies get more and more crowded, security risks are on the rise. There are many cases where small hobby drones have endangered passenger airplanes, made it impossible for firefighting airplanes and rescue helicopters to operate, and there are cases where camera drones crashed into the crowds of sporting events, injuring people. Add to that the security risk that drones can pose to critical civil infrastructure and national defense assets. Now, imagine the drone of a reckless hobby pilot flying in a sports stadium filled with people. How can this drone be removed without endangering the people around it? Hacking or jamming the controlled communications is not reliable, and shooting it down with guns or rockets would create an even bigger disaster. Finding the pilot and forcing him to land the drone will also not work if there's a big crowd or the pilot is hiding. The only safe and reliable method is to remove the drone physically from the airspace. This is where our Interceptor drone comes into play. We are using the latest state-of-the-art drone racing components to build a very fast, highly maneuverable Interceptor drone that flies towards the intruder and shoots a net over it. The intruding drone gets entangled in the net and comes down slowly and safely on a parachute. We are developing a smartphone app that allows any authorized personnel to identify a dangerous drone in the sky and initiate the intercept launch. The app uses GPS position, orientation sensors and camera image to help the interceptor lock onto the target. When the interceptor has locked on, it uses a visual target tracking algorithm to fly towards it and fire the net just as it crosses the intruder's flight path.